Hello guys, my name is Adrian Langveld, a legal practitioner with Gumbo and Associates Legal Practitioners. Did you know that your labor law dispute can be thrown out just because you missed a timeline? Today, let's demystify labor law time. Before we consider the issue of timelines, we must consider that according to Zimbabwean labor law, all internal remedies must be exhausted first before approaching the labor court. What this means is that all internal appeals, hearings, and reviews must be conducted before we approach the labor court. Generally, each industry has its own code of conduct, and in the case where an industry does not have a code of conduct, we refer to the National Code of Conduct of 2006. The general guidelines provided by the National Code of Conduct of 2006 are that an employer must bring a case against an employee within 14 days of suspension. This includes investigation of the matter as well as calling for a disciplinary hearing within that 14-day period. After that 14-day period and the hearing has been conducted, should an adverse decision be made against the employee, generally in terms of the National Code of Conduct, the employee has a further 70 days within which to appeal that adverse decision. Once a final decision has been made, the employee now has the option of approaching the labor court for a final appeal within 21 days. Should the labor court rule adversely against the employee has a further 15 days within which to appeal that judgment to the Supreme Court, of which the Supreme Court's decision will be final. As you can see, with labor law, it is very important to make sure that you stick to your timelines, lest your case be thrown out. Here's where things get serious. Before you go to the labor court, according to Zimbabwean labor law and the common law, one must exhaust all internal remedies before approaching the labor court. This means appeals to your employer or appeals through the